Hey guys, and welcome to another video with me, Joe. Today we'll be going to do the top 10 Nerf guns. As you might have seen, I have got quite a lot of Nerf guns, so yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Let's get in. So number 10 is this, the Vile gun. It's a standard disc shooter, and it's got like a drop down ammo compartment. So yeah, that's that one. Next we have this, the Zombie Strike crossbow. Packs quite a punch. So this is at number 9. Shoots 2 bullets at a time, and that's for the Zombie Strike crossbow. Next we have a special gun. This is the long strike. The long strike, Autumn edition. So long ranged, and it's good. So next, got the barricade. This is a standard electronic blaster. Hold down the trigger and it shoots a lot, basically. Next up is this, the Havoc Fire. It's one of the most heavy guns, and one of the oldest as well. It has a round of 25 bullets. Next up we have this, the Cyclone Shock, one of the newest megas. It's based on the Maverick and the Strong Arm. So yeah. So, next up we have this little guy, the Fire Strike. It is a very powerful gun packed into one small body. It does have a red dot shot thing, red dot sight, carries 3 bullets. Now, after that, number 3, I have the Sling Strike. This is based on a shotgun, and it's also Nerf Zombie Strike. So it's got a very interesting fire mechanism. So as you see, you get this trigger, pull it up till it clicks, pull it back down, and then pull the trigger. And then next we have one of my favourites, number 2, the Recon. It is one of the oldest guns, and it's based on one of the new ones. Now it's getting turned into a modulus. Yeah. So now for number 1, it is a special gun. It's the Stormtrooper blaster from the Nerf version. It comes with its own little sight, bullets, and pretty much everything. Yeah, as you can see, Star Wars. So I might be testing this one out in this video. So yeah, I just need to load it up, and then it's ready to fire. Might take a couple of seconds. So yeah, this is this gun, and I'm going to set it up in range of the Stormtrooper. So you might be able to see. This might take a minute to set up, so I'm not very good with cameras. So there, it's the Stormtrooper. Over here, Now we're going to shoot it right in the face. Hopefully, if this works. Yeah. So, there we go. That's how powerful that little gun is. So that's going to be it for this video today. And over and out.